So here we are going to make a train first by starting with this block. And then we put the wheels on. 2 wheels like this. And then we put this block like this. It may look like this. And then we put this block. We put it right here. And then we put this block to make it like this. And then we put these 2 blocks on the back of the train. Like this. And we put this down here. And then the next cut. So first, starting by this, we put 2 wheels. And I put this thing for balance. And put this brown one time. And I put this. Now it look like this. And you may want to put this thing to connect to the train. And now we have this. Move that to the side, and then finally the caboose. First we're starting by 1 wheel. Putting this thing a 1x2 block. Put it like this. And then we put this thing. Both 2 of them, and put it like this. And then if you want a step, you could put this on the back, like so people can step on it and then go to the. And then I wanted to put this for a design. And then I put it like this so it could connect. And then put it like this thing. Connect it. And this thing over here. Or maybe you could put this thing over here instead. And I could do this so nobody steps on. And then I put this thing on the bottom. And I put this over here. And finally, we are done with the train. I wanted to add this on the back of this so I could connect. So it may look like this when you're done. It may look like this when you're done. And if you want to put a Lego man on the bottom and at the caboose, you can if you want. He's waving at you. And I could put this. And now it may look like this. And after that, we have a mini plane. So how you can make it is like first have a 3x2 block. We set it in the middle and we put this only over here, and we take a 2 times 1 block and put it in here. And then if you want to add the wing, you can put it one wing like this. We put it over here. And for the back wing, you could put this like this. And then if you want the and you could put this behind the cockpit, and you're done.